Hey guys, I'm back again, you understand, with another loyalty test. But this one, 3 guys in one day, she smashed. How could she do that? But before we get right into it, people, I want everyone to subscribe. As I said before, if you're not a cheater, subscribe to my channel and subscribe to this channel, One Code Music as well. Okay, I play your favorite song over that channel. Alright, yes, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Okay, thank you very much. We're gonna get right into it.
You sick. You're sick. You're f***ing sick.
Oh shit! She get that for sure? Well, let's see.
Let me know. Is there any limits? Is there things that you don't want me to do? You know what I mean?
You can do whatever.
Bro, you know how it feel when you're so hurt, bro? Jesus Christ!
Just want to see how far she's willing to go.
Yeah, how far she gonna go? I can't
What's going on,
space.
YouTube, man? It's your boy Solar J from the A-Man. We're back with another
Big up
episode of
yourself,
Catching
Soldier.
Solar's Cheaters. For those of you who are new, this is a series of
Sword.
videos where people reach out to me in order to test their partner's loyalty. Usually when we do these tests, we actually don't know if the partner is cheating on him. However, in this test, we know his girlfriend is cheating. But that's not even the catch. We found out crazy information on this girl during our investigation that actually shocked me. This is going to shed light to a lot of situations that happen every single
Hey, all of my Silk Reacts people gonna see all of my fans. I love you all. Subscribe right now. Subscribe. Run it up. Run it up. Run it up. Run it up.
Atlanta. And I really wanted to spread awareness to you guys because this situation can happen to you as well. So without
It can happen to you as well. Trust me. Believe.
further ado, let me introduce you guys to Kristoff so he can tell you guys his story in depth. Before we get into this video, I want to help a few of you guys who wanted to make an extra $150 from the comforts of your own home. All you got to do is click the link in my description and sign up for Cash Kit.
Yeah, man,
As you
click
guys
the
can see,
link
I've
in
made
the description.
$750 already from doing this. So there's no need to wait. Listen to the steps so I can show you how. First, sign up with your email so you can make it one step closer to making your money. This is important. Make sure you sign up and confirm your email because that's how you track your progress. I usually like playing a game like Dice Streams because Dice Streams is literally one of the easiest ones to do. And you can make like a quick $125 from it. It's
People are
super
gonna
easy.
catch some cheaters. Okay. I want everyone to subscribe, bro. Jesus Christ. A lot of stuff is happening all over the world.
Look here, this is me after playing the games, you guys, and as you guys can see, I followed all the steps,
they
and look
get
here,
him $6
I made my money.
there.
Look right here at all these people who have successfully gotten their money,
Yeah,
bro.
man, then get
All I can
you.
tell you guys is don't miss
think
out.
that work?
Big thank you to Cash Kick for sponsoring
Work?
this video. So
Comment
why do you feel
if
like
that
your
thing
girlfriend
work.
cheating on you?
First of all, we've been together for a year now and stuff like that. And when I met her, I felt like she was really different. Her name is Ashley, by the way. She was really different. I seen her at a park. I was trying to talk to her. She's like she was different. She gave me some type of good vibe. And I don't know.
Stress him
When I
out.
first met her, I felt something. When you feel something that you feel something in your heart, it's like you miss it. Sometimes I could be over exaggerated, but it could be
were
like,
in love, like
yeah,
you felt
a real type of love. You just never get that from somebody.
It was like
before,
love
so-
at first sight.
I mean, love at first sight is kind of, but I feel like maybe like that first week we kept talking, I feel like I fell in love with her. Love at first sight is a stretch, but maybe it could be love at first sight because the fact that I
Bro, just
kept
say I love
trying to
at first sight, bro.
get into her, talk to her a little bit more, try to hang out with her a little bit more. The vibe we was getting, it was just unmatched. She told me she was a virgin, right? So I was like, I'm gonna respect that and stuff like that too. So I was her first person that she did it with and stuff like that. And I felt like she was happy. It took me some time to just tell my family and stuff like that because you never know what.
Hey, this
really
is
clicks with
like
somebody.
this is like if lie is a person or was a person. Is, was, are. Bro, because it seems like this female tell this guy a lot of lie. You understand? Trust me. You are a first
backfire on
person.
you and stuff like that. So
And you believe that?
one day I went to my family's house and everybody was there. I finally showed her off and stuff like that, and I felt really
Just
happy.
take
My
it
mom was
first,
happy.
one and
People
then
were happy.
say,
Then my
show her
uncle came up
off.
to me,
She
acting
a go
like,
show
like
you on.
he knew her or something like that. He dealt with her, and I was like, nah, there's no way, But the world we're living right now, that's.
I don't mean to cut you off, but like how did your uncle know her?
He basically said, when he seen the picture, right, he put me to the side. He basically said that that was one of the little holes or whatever. He was a security guard, and he met her from there.
So he's a security guard?
Yeah,
Where's
he's
he
a security
guard
guard.
at?
Yes, yes,
I think some big
Yes, it.
lounge. Some,
People subscribe to my channel, Silk Reacts. Okay, yes, we give you the best reaction right now.
I forgot what it was called. It's I'm trying to get it top of my head. I think Magic City, around there.
At a strip club?
Yeah.
Damn. Are you able to call your uncle?
Damn.
Kind of get like his point of view
Strip
on this whole
club.
situation?
You see it?
Yeah, we can call him.
You say you're a
we'll call
first
him right
person.
now. Just get his number real quick.
Okay.
Oof. Alright.
Uncle Dan. My Dan.
What a nephew.
Hey, what's up, Unc? He basically give me a rundown, tell him like, you know, what I went through and tell me like what my girl did and stuff like that, where you met her.
Oh yeah, I saw her in the club one night. She was with her girlfriends. It was like doing like a birthday
Bro, everyone in the comment, everyone on this channel, let's listen together, okay? Yes.
celebration or something like that. And you know, she had, you know, like I think it was a white dress if I remember. And then, you know, she, you know, gave me the eye, got my attention, and I approached her. I wouldn't lie to you, nephew.
Once again, guys, as you can see, Kristoff's Uncle Dom actually confirmed to us that Ashley is not really who she says she is. It's even more crazy.
See? Bro, this is my first time reacting to this thing, bro. I never watched these loyalty test video. Okay? I'm only doing it for the fans, bro. But yet still, it's good to watch these videos, trust me. You understand? But bro, common sense, bro. Common sense, bro. The world is not the world anymore. You see what is going on? Paper subscribe right now. See? Big up on yourself.
That she's been hiding this from Kristoff for a whole year. Even though you guys kind of already know the outcome of this situation, still continue to listen because this story actually gets 10 times crazier than we actually
Yeah, man, I forgot to write a book.
Yeah, what's up, man?
When you get here, come down the ramp and we're going to be right here in the parking deck. Chris.
What's up, bro?
Good seeing you again. Right now, this is approximately 3 days from the day of the interview. Within the past 3 days between today, we had Kristoff's uncle reach out to Ashley to set up an expensive dinner date. At this point, we know for sure that the uncle was telling the truth based on how easy it was for him to set up this date. So at this point, we were already ready to expose her.
Yes, we're ready to expose you, my girl.
She has agreed
Expose
to
you.
go out on the date with him. So how do you feel about that right now?
It hurts, man. It's tough, man. I just, damn.
Yeah,
It's gonna
man,
be hard
tough
to
like
see how this is gonna
stone.
fall through. If it's I'm hoping she just, you know, I'm holding out hope that she's not being what my uncle say it is, but because I put all my baskets into that
Bro,
relationship.
why these
I'm
bro,
being real.
these male is making it bad for the rest of male in the world. Trust me, bro.
Dude, I really don't
Just
understand
these male is
why
making
she
it
would go
bad
on
for
a
the rest
date with
of
a guy
men,
that,
bro.
like, while she has a boyfriend, you know.
Yeah.
And I think that right there is a red flag. However, it's still hope that she might just be wanting to get something to eat or, you know, something like that.
Yeah, man. She told me she was going off with girlfriends too, so.
I don't even know how to feel about this loyalty test. I just feel like this one is probably one of the craziest ones I've done so far on my channel. Really hope for the best, but
Maybe it's the craziest one to on my channel, people. You understand? So subscribe right now. Let's get into it.
girl ends up cheating, then I'll give him an offer to make $750. So you guys stay tuned. We can see if this works out.
Hey, what's going on, nephew?
What's up? Did she say location already and stuff like that?
Oh no, I'm gonna have to call and get the location.
Yeah, put her on the
Put
phone.
on three-way.
Yeah, put her on three-way.
On three-way right now.
Alright, bet. I'm gonna mute it and stuff like that so I can hear what's going on.
Okay, it's muted.
It's muted. Oh boy. So,
Bro, we are hard boy, bro. This is supposed to hard,
it's
bro,
gonna
right?
be real hard if I hear her again.
Bro, from your past 10, you're supposed to know, say, yo, the world is not the world anymore.
What's going on, love? You ready for this date?
As ready as I'm gonna get.
Okay. How long it's gonna take you to get ready, or you dressed already?
I'm just already.
Oh, okay. So I'm gonna pick you up in about an hour. I'm gonna call you when I'm outside.
Alright, I'll see you soon.
Comment. Hear out the female sound. Just listen to her, bro. Bro, just listen to her, bro. This is a cheater, bro.
Bye, love.
Bye.
Hang up.
Alright, nephew, let me know. Is there any like limits? Like, is there things that you don't want me to do? You know what I mean?
I have
Let me know.
I have to know what she's really about, man. This is what I need to know, and you know, what breaks me is gonna make me stronger. So you can do whatever. I just want to see how far she's willing to go.
Bro, she already go far, bro.
Nephew, I got you. We about to expose her right now.
Yeah, definitely, man. Send me a location. We on the way. Might be her apartment or something like that. Find her because he's about to pick her up.
That's where she's usually at her
Her
crib.
apartment. Yeah, her
At this point, guys, we were ready to meet Ashley at her apartment. In the interview, Kristoff stated that he has been paying her rent for
People, if you do want to get exposed, if you don't want to get exposed, young girl and young men, subscribe to my channel. You understand? Yes, and do not be a cheater. Okay? Yes, don't rush the process. Wait your turn. Okay? Yes. Trust me.
the last couple months.
Trust me.
He also stated that he received a key that made him feel even more
Bro, why didn't I
comfortable
play?
in the relationship. Since we have a key to the apartment and we already know that she's cheating, the plan was to bust into the apartment and expose her. However, things didn't go as planned.
Yeah, I don't even gonna lie. This is it's kind of different. This is not where her cribs is at. You know, this is somewhere in the city. It's just kind of weird. This is not where her crib's at all.
What?
Nah, it's not. It's a whole different area.
She's smart, you know.
Somewhere in the city.
Wait, she doesn't live in the city?
No, she lives around the outskirts of Atlanta and stuff like that. So I don't know. She told me she's home, but this is her location that the uncle sent me. It seems like it's some type of, I don't know, it's somewhere in the city. I don't know what the fuck. It's not showing me exactly what it is, but it's just showing me a city area, which is weird.
So where did she tell you she was at?
She said she's home.
She said she's at.
As I told you guys before, this story gets 10 times crazier than we initially thought.
Yeah, this is
Prior to
crazy,
the uncle
bro.
picking up Ashley, we did have Ashley send him his current location. When a current location is sent, you don't get the exact address to where you're going. However, before the test even started, Ashley told Kristoff that she was at home. So me and Kristoff are thinking that we are going to be picking her up from her house. However, as we continued to follow the location, it took us to a hotel. The question right now isn't just why is she at the hotel? It's who is she at the hotel with?
Wait, yeah, bro. Must a male. I can't want dog. I want a rat. It's
This
a
is a
male,
hotel,
bro.
bro.
It's a
Or
hotel?
female.
Yes, this is a hotel, bro.
What the?
What you do this, bro?
I'm not gonna lie.
What are you doing there, bro?
This is a hotel, bro. Like, or this might be an
Mama
apartment,
is in a
or-
hotel,
I
not a
don't know.
motel.
Because I never been here before.
See?
This is
Other guy take her there, bro. God.
it's a hotel.
Can you call Uncle?
Yeah, I'm gonna call him right now. You already here?
Yeah, I just pulled in, nephew.
Hey, Unc, don't tell her you're here yet. You hear me?
Don't tell her that. You said don't tell her that I'm here yet?
Yeah, do not tell her you're here yet. All right, Unc. So look.
Hold on, guys. Maybe she's messing with the uncle. What y'all think? Maybe.
What's gonna happen is I'm gonna mic you up. When she comes out, just bring her straight to your car. I know she's prepared to go on a date right now.
Right.
So make sure you don't leave. Like no matter how she keeps pressing you to go on a date, if she asks you about the date, try to stall so we can get the information out of her.
Put that through your shirt.
Hello.
Hey Ashley. Yeah, you ready?
Give me like 5 minutes. How far are you away?
I'm about like 2 minutes. 2 minutes away.
Okay, that's good.
Reach already,
yeah,
Ashley.
Just, let me know when you're outside.
Alright, got it. Cool.
We got everything set up now. You can go ahead and call it.
Add her to the car real quick.
Oh, add it to the call? Cool. Alright. I'm calling in now.
Hello.
Hey, sweetheart, I just pulled up. You ready?
Yeah, I'm coming out right now.
All right, cool.
John knows that. Look on his sweetheart too.
Thank you. Always.
Put your seatbelt on.
Me say the youth them weak and a recently me start notice who listen to that dancehall artist named Chronic Law. Go listen to it right now. Okay? Yes, that therapist. Trust me.
Ain't that nice and comfortable?
Yes, sirski.
Well, you probably gotta put the seat up a little bit. It's kind of laying back, but unless that's comfortable for you.
I'm so glad you put that on.
Oh, child, look at Frankfurter face
Glad
to
to see you looking all good and
She
shit.
look like one
my
egg
gosh,
when
you
it
know
fry.
you look good.
She look like an egg when it fry in the pot. How can you
I
not
like
know
that.
that?
Okay.
Looking real thick in those shits, you know what I mean?
You know I try. You know who getting me thick.
I do.
Oh my god.
Yeah, so what you got the taste for? You know, I do got a spot in mind, but you know,
What you got in mind?
it's probably like this steakhouse joint that's like probably like 10 minutes away.
That sound like the move. I
Hey.
would definitely love that.
Bro, ain't no car got license plate here. No car got license plate, bro.
Yeah, I would love that too.
Look at you. You know I like
You know,
steak.
we
You know
been-
me so well.
We've been doing this for a minute. Of course I know you. Yeah, I know what you
As
like.
you should. I hope you
Yeah.
do.
I definitely know what you like.
You look so good.
I try, you know. I try, you know, I gotta look good for you too, you know? Yeah.
Yes. I'm really just happy that you came because I've been really down. I've been going through a lot of stuff in my life.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, life been really life.
Damn, what's been going on?
Life being really life in.
My rent is coming up and I don't think I'm gonna be able to make rent. I'm probably gonna need a band.
You gonna need a band?
Yeah.
Joking thing.
With like the drum and shit?
So guys, you really let this fool thing catch you guys? Trouble. But know all of my subscriber people is so strong mind and strong. Can't let these gold digger catch you, bro. Just me.
Stop being funny.
Oh, you saying the band? Like,
No, I need $1,000.
$1,000.
Are you gonna be able to help me?
Joking
well.
thing, mama,
At
$1,000
this
bucks.
point,
You want 1,000 kick. 5 bills kick. 5 bills box. You understand? $1,000 that. Yes.
You guys can see, this is the part of the video where things start to get weird. For one, Ashley is at some random person's hotel for no reason. We have zero clue at this point why she's at this hotel. For two, she's begging Kristoff's uncle for money. And she's just bubbly as hell. Like, why are you so bubbly and going? So in my opinion, I really think that Ashley is just tricky.
You ain't been working?
Yeah.
No, you know that.
Oh man, give you a band. So I don't know if I got that on me right now.
What you mean you don't got it?
Yeah, I don't think I got it on me right now. I've been, you know, paying this, paying that. You know how it is.
No, you got stuff going on. I know you got it too. Like,
on,
please,
man.
you know I'm worth it.
You worth it, huh?
Yes.
How worth it are you?
You know I'm very worth it.
I hear that. It sounds nice though, yeah. So who's that's calling you so much?
You asking me who's calling me like I just didn't ask you for help. Like, I need a band. My
girl
rent is
is this,
due in
bro?
2 days. You don't care about me having a roof over my head for real?
Man, don't look at it like that. Don't take it like
How am I
that.
supposed to take it?
I mean, hopefully you.
So be you bad him up. You bad up the guy for his money.
You could be more understanding. You know, I told you, I don't got it right now. Maybe the person that's calling you
Understanding
so much.
about what, but you have the audacity to ask me who's calling me is crazy.
Joking thing.
You know, because maybe they could help you out with the rent.
That's how you feel? That's really how you feel? Is
I mean, you're not understanding my situation. You know?
what is your situation?
Bro, who grow them girl there, bro? Who grow? One hyena. Eh? One pig. A pig brain this man. Pig brain. People subscribe if you do not have a pig brain. Subscribe. Subscribe.
I just told you, I don't got it right now. Look, they still calling me. Let's just get this food, you know what I'm saying? And maybe some, you know, a little steak in your belly make you feel
No,
low.
no.
How about?
What is What the
Right,
fuck is
I said
going
the
on
catch
right
ya
now?
now.
Really? Really?
Serious?
What do you mean serious?
What is wrong with you? You
That's my
just
fucking
almost hit
uncle. Are you
me.
serious?
Like, you just literally.
Bro, first thing, bro, you're gonna get a disrespect, bro, because she don't love you, bro. So you come out and say serious, bro, like that, bro. I would not in that position, by the way. I'm gone, bro. You, bro, just leave and go, bro. Take a bus. You in the city, bro. Take a train or something, bro. Take a helicopter then. You understand? Yo, take a helicopter, bro.
Yo, stop playing with me, bro.
Like-
Stop playing with me, Ashley.
You got
You
these
dead ass?
cameras all in front of me. This is some real.
Bro, you catch her at a hotel, bro. You got camera right in her face. Eh?
Look at you. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you.
You're sassy as
I take you out to eat. I take care of you and my family. Are you serious? No, look at you. You look stupid. You look stupid.
This is the
You look
sassiest
fucking stupid.
you the
Are you
fuck
serious? I'm
right
stupid?
now.
You a fucking gold digger. Fuck you.
I'm a gold
I
digger.
take you out to
I
eat.
need shit
I
from
I
you.
paid for your rent last month. You talking about you want rent for him? Are you serious? I paid your rent last month. You can't do that shit to me.
And almost hit my car.
Where are you?
okay?
You told me you was with
Do
your
you not care about
homegirls.
my life?
Are you serious? Do you care about my heart? I was supposed to marry. Ooh, you sick.
believe
You're
it right
sick.
now. This
You're
is
fucking
the
sick.
ever met.
You are sick.
The sassiest I
you.
ever met.
you.
Like me?
Yeah,
Oh,
you.
you just almost hit me.
I put everything into you for a whole year. I should be the one embarrassed. You can't say you're embarrassed.
Are
Are
you
you serious?
serious right
You gotta
now?
go out with my uncle,
Are
get
you
on a
serious
date, a
right
nice
now?
little
You
date.
have random people.
Are you
All in my
serious?
face with a kid.
Wait, what
Who's this?
shit?
Yeah.
I owe this. I owe people. I owe this now. Who is this guy? Him is the one calling her phone. People, subscribe to my channel right now, Silk Rocks, guys. Play the video. Play the video. Okay, I'm gonna play. Alright, but first subscribe. Okay? Thank you very much. Hey, and please follow me on Instagram.
Who's this?
What you talking?
Who is this? Who is this?
I don't know who this man is.
Are you
I
serious?
don't know what's
So
going
this
on
what you're
right
doing?
Your name is Ash.
So it's not even my uncle, it's this nigga too.
you
Who are
talking
you,
about?
fam? Who are you, bro?
I was the nigga that choked Thunder earlier.
Are you
I bought
serious?
my mama a gift
Oh
last
really?
Christmas.
Oh
Yeah,
really?
Yeah, yeah,
Oh, that's what you're doing?
Bro,
That's what you're doing in my
panties.
face?
Yeah.
That's what you do in my face?
Wait, hold on.
Wow.
We here.
You hear this shit? Oh, you hear this shit?
Bro, what is going on, bro? What is going on, bro?
Yeah, I'm Morelli's. This is my
Like,
girl
you
right
shouldn't
here.
even be here.
That's your girl.
You should not be
Yeah,
here
this
right
Ash.
now.
We've been together for a whole year. I'm supposed to marry this girl, fam.
Do you?
Yes.
Oh shit, that's not gonna happen no time soon, bro. You know what I'm saying? I love her kind of.
Yo, who the fuck you think you talking to,
Daddy
bro?
gonna choke
Who
me
the
up.
fuck you think you talking to?
Bro, really, bro. Really, bro. That thing is a kid's thing, bro. You're not gonna fight over female like that, bro. Not even fighting over female, none at all, bro. Not at all. Yo, these guys tripping, bro. A peanut brain. His head is not on his neck. You understand?
Hey,
Just
why you
Who the
got-
fuck you think you talking to,
you
bro?
gonna fight
Are you
him,
serious?
bro.
Are you serious?
so you fight him now, you're gonna get back the
Man,
girl.
get the fuck, yo, bro.
Bro, go on.
Man, oh, bro,
You don't need that hoe, man.
man, you, f you. That's what you do. That's what you do. I got something for you. I got something for you.
No, bro, not do that. Just leave, bro, and just, you see me, I say, cry it off, alright. You see me? Yeah, man. You drink some rum. You see me, I say, yes. Nobody hurt nobody, bro. That not going to do anything.
For you. You know what? All right, I'm gonna go ahead and fuck your friend now. I'm gonna go ahead and fuck your friend.
Bro,
I'm gonna go ahead and fuck your friend. I'm
They
gonna go
say
ahead and
that
fuck
then.
your friend now. Watch.
No, you're talking and make sure say friend is a female. And don't go the gay shit. You see me, I say, we don't do them thing there, bro, God. No.
Watch. You been feeling me lately, yo, too. Watch. Man, fuck you too, nigga. Man, I ain't worried about these
Yeah,
ass
man,
niggas,
look,
bro.
team
You lucky,
anti
nigga.
are,
Yo,
you see me?
you lucky, bro. Oh my God.
People know violence, you understand? Subscribe right now. You understand? I don't know what me say. You'll be a idiot, bro. Trust me.
what? I'm not gonna file for no bro. You know what? You
Yeah.
know what? Yo, that's crazy. A whole year, bro. A whole year, bro.
John,
Whole year, a whole year. I wish I listened to you, bro.
Bro, on a tree here.
I got something for you, nigga. I got something for you, nigga. I got something for you, nigga. Are you serious?
No, don't argue with that man.
A word? A word? A word? A word? A word? That's how it's going? A word? I'll knock your ass out.
Female, these guys is going to argue.
I'll knock your ass out.
Kids.
I'll knock your ass out. And I'm gonna get my homegirl to beat your ass too, bitch. I'm gonna get my homegirl to beat your ass too. I'll knock your ass out, nigga. What's up? What's up? What's up, nigga? What's up, nigga? What's up, man? What's up, bro? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, bro? What's up, nigga? What's up, nigga? What's up, nigga? What's up, nigga? Yo, you shut the fuck up. What's up, nigga? What's up? I'm on that, nigga. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, come on, oh yeah. Do it, man.
Bro, they got catch, bro. Just want to see. Want to see Chappie get a box, bro. Trust me. You understand, guys? I want to see this guy get a box, bro. You understand? Bro, you're there too long, bro. 1 second should not catch you right there. But guys, you reach the end of the video. Thank you. You understand? But please subscribe to my channel. We're here doing some loyalty test. Okay? Yes, I'm big up on myself now. Hey, you see me. Rate on you know. Yeah, man. Big respect to all of my subscribers. You understand? Big up everybody. From you're not a cheater, subscribe. You understand? Even if you cheat, subscribe. You understand? Big up on yourself. I'm out.